All right, so graph the function y equals x to the fifth plus 5. So the main thing I think you need to understand about the power functions is like, here's y to the x. All right, so all right, and then if you were to look at y x cubed, that looks something like this. Okay, that's like their S curve. And then what happens is, as you increase the powers, the end behavior remains the same, right? Because if it has an odd power, then the end behavior is going to be the same. It's going to fall left, rise, right. So what's happening as we get a higher power, and again, you could like use numbers to go ahead and test this out as well. But what's happening is it's getting kind of fatter at that origin. So this little S curve is just getting fatter and fatter, right? And you can even guess what, y x to the 7th would be. So y equals, x to the 7th. That'd look something even more, right? And again, I'm not using any numbers. I just want you to kind of see what's happening with the pattern. So if we understand, like, we have the general idea of the shape, right? It has the end behavior, falls to the left, rises to the right. Then we just need to understand, well, what's happening with the shift. And you can see here what's happening with the shift is being shifted up 5 units. So what we're simply going to do is going to take this graph and then shift it up 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all I'm going to do is take this exact same graph, and I'm just going to cover it somewhere else. Blue. There we go. Say, oh, it's going to look, oops. Let's try to make it a little bit more the same. Something like that. So that would be y equals x to the 5th plus 5, right? So it's going to be the original parent function and then just shift it up 5 units.